Hi, John Morgan here, and welcome to this week's episode of the Keep Growing podcast, where we take a look at the gardening outlook for the week ahead here in the Mid-Ohio Valley. And today, I'm out here again on the front porch. This week, we're digging into week 23 of 2024, covering Saturday, June 1st to Saturday, June 8th. This weekend, it looks like today is going to be your best day to get out and take care of some gardening tasks, as we're looking at a chance for showers moving in on Sunday. The upcoming week looks like we'll be dodging some scattered showers, but we'll have some temps in the mid to upper 80s, which will be a welcome change from the downright chilly weather we had last week. If the forecast holds, we're looking at a mild upcoming weekend with another beautiful Saturday for the weekend warriors. According to the almanac today, June 1st is a great day to plant lettuce as a companion plant for tomatoes. As I mentioned last week, they'll act as a bit of an edible mulch, working to smother out weeds around your tomato plants. On Monday, June 3rd, seed snap beans and carrots, and also you can seed summer squash and corn for late crops. It's not too late to start a garden. We're not even to the first official day of summer. On Tuesday, June 4th, plant tomatoes, seed cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. On Wednesday, June 5th, seed pumpkins and winter squash. Thursday, June 6th, we have the new moon, and it's the time to mulch your garden to conserve moisture. I'm a fan of using grass clippings as a mulch. Just be sure that they don't become matted, and also that they don't contain weed seeds. On Friday, June 7th, plant celery, and also start monitoring your garden for pests. And also, it's the time to summer prune apples and peaches. Finally, on Saturday, June 8th, begin control measures for squash vine borer. It's one of those issues where an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. I've lost many squash plants to borers over the years. Lastly this week, I want to talk a little bit about getting more out of this podcast. First off, check out our show notes page at bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing. Second, we host our podcast on Spotify. Over there you can answer polls and ask questions for each episode. And there's even a feature where you can submit a recorded question that might just end up featured here on the podcast. And finally, since we have a Keep Growing Spotify account, we can listen to music and share playlists too. Personally, I have a wide range of music that I enjoy listening to. So to kick things off, I've created a classical gardening mix. It goes heavy on soundtracks from period movies like Pride and Prejudice to give it a sort of cottagecore vibe. If you have the Spotify app, I'm going to be adding a link in the show notes along with a handy scannable code to the playlist. Fire up Spotify, pop in some earbuds, and of course, keep growing. Visit us online at bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing.